types of settings on an LG phone. Your LG phone has a number of settings that you can use to customize your phone to your needs. When you open settings on your phone, you will see categories with subcategories below them. The main categories are network and internet, connected devices, sound, display, lock screen and security, privacy, location, extensions, digital well-being and parental controls, apps and notifications, battery, storage, accounts, Google, system, accessibility, and support. The settings are easy to navigate and customize as desired. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.